Hey guys, come couponing with me this week at CVS. We have 4 different moneymaker deals, total of $9.48 in moneymakers, and all you need is your phone to be able to score this deal. Plus, there's an insane deal on Pampers diapers that I'm going to share with you. How to get a box of diapers, Pampers, for $6.99. I'm so excited to share these deals with you guys. Below in the description box is going to be the printable breakdown, as well as the links to the different referral codes to the apps that I personally use. We're using Ibotta today for a bunch of cash back, which is perfect because it's going to help us track towards our bonuses. So this week I have a midweek bonus, which is $5 for 18 offers. Plus there is the big bonus that I'm working towards. I'm almost halfway there. And we're halfway through the month, so I should be able to complete that, which I'm really excited about because then I'll get another $10 cash back. So before you go in store, check Ibotta. I have a 2% cashback offer on my receipt. So even if you have no other Ibotta rebates on the receipt, you can submit any receipt that you go to CVS and get 2% cashback, which is amazing. Plus, you guys should know if you've been following me or subscribed for a while. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely hit that subscribe button. You want to check Rakuten for in-store cashback and activate the offer. So whatever payment method you're going to be using at CVS, make sure that you link it on your Rakuten account so that way they can talk to each other. So when you check out, that is going to transfer over to Rakuten. You're going to be able to earn cashback as well for literally clicking a button. Amazing. So we're stacking a bunch of different sale prices, digital coupons, and we're earning some cash back. Then at the end, I'll show you how I input the numbers super easy into my digital budget spreadsheet so we can see exactly how much money we wound up saving. Let's head inside and score amazing deals at CVS this week.
Let's start off with some moneymaker deals. So we're gonna grab this Crest deal. It's $4.99 on sale. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. I'm gonna grab 2 of this Radiant Mint. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon in the CVS app. Then we're gonna wind up paying $6.98, earning back a $5 extra buck, and submit to Ibotta for $2 cash back. Each gives you $4 cash back. Makes it free and a $2.02 moneymaker. The next moneymaker is on the expensive Crest. So these are $10.99 regularly priced. Spend $15, earn a $7 extra buck. I'm gonna grab the 3D white. There is a $4 coupon on the Coupons 24 app. Then I'm gonna grab the Enamel Restore. There's a separate $4 coupon on the Coupons 24 app. So these are the 2 that I'm grabbing. Total is gonna be $21.98. I also have a 4 off of 20 Crest CRT that I'm gonna use. So I'll pay $9.98, earn back the $7 extra buck, plus the cash back from Ibotta. I'm gonna get $3 cash back each, makes them both free and a $3.02 moneymaker. Our next moneymaker deal is on CoverGirl. You would have had to have already activated the Ibotta offer though. I activated it yesterday when I saw it, but it already went to the list. It's not like on the page anymore. So if you've already activated an offer, even if you scan a product, it won't pop up. So you have to click the little like lines in the bottom right once you've already been on the CVS part of Ibotta. When you click it, scroll all the way through to the beauty, and then I see it there where I can get the $3 cash back each for the CoverGirl. So heads up on that. But if you already activated it, here's an amazing deal. It's spend $12, get a $4 extra buck. So what I'm gonna do is grab 2 of these eyebrow pencils here for $6.29 each. That's gonna bring me to $12.58. Then some people have a $2 manufacturer digital coupon. I don't, but everybody got this $4 store coupon. So make sure you clip that. So I'm gonna pay $8.58 out of pocket, earn back a $4 extra buck, then submit to Ibotta for $3 cash back each. That's gonna make my final cost free and a $1.42 moneymaker. Next, we have a good deal on Lysol wipes. So you're gonna grab 2 of these huge 80 count wipes. They're regularly priced at $10.99, but they're buy 1, get 1 free, and buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. So grabbing 2 of them, you'll pay $10.99 out of pocket, earn back that $3 extra buck, makes it $7.99 for 2 or $3.99 a piece. The next deal we're gonna do is on Persil. So they're on sale for $6.99 each. And when you buy 2 of them, you're gonna earn back a $6 extra buck. We also have a $2 off 1 digital coupon. So I'll pay $11.98, earn back the $6 extra buck, makes my final cost $5.98 for 2 or $2.99 a piece. Still an amazing deal because these at Walmart are $5.44 a piece. Plus we have so many moneymaker deals, these are gonna wind up being probably free. So these 4 deals is gonna be my first transaction. So what I do when I'm arranging my deals, first I check how many extra bucks do I have from the previous week that I can use to lower my cost. I filmed a small video on this and I posted it on my Instagram earlier today, so definitely check it out. It's at Bree Coupon Queen 3. I explain like the whole process. So what I do for all of these products, after all the coupons come off, I would pay $35.52. But I have $22.20 worth of extra bucks from last week that I can use to lower my out-of-pocket cost. Now I'm gonna pay $13.32 plus taxes out of pocket. Then I'm gonna earn back $16 cash back from Ibotta. So it's a cash moneymaker deal. Plus I'm gonna earn 2% cash back from Ibotta. And in rewards, I'm gonna earn back a total of $22 in extra bucks to then use in my second transaction. So let's go do some more deals. Next, we have a household deal that's a decent deal this week. It's spend 20, earn back a $4 extra buck. What you can do is grab one of the Bounce for $6.99. We have a $1 coupon on the Coupons 24 app. Then grab the Tide Boost for $6.99. We have a $3.50 coupon on the Coupons 24 app. Finally, you can grab a Charmin Mega here for $5.99 with a $1 digital coupon on the CVS app. So for these 3 products, you're at $19.97. So your store does have to follow the 98% rule. After the $5.50 worth of coupons come off, you'll pay $14.47, get back a $4 extra buck, makes it $10.47 for all 3 products, or $3.49 a piece. So definitely not a bad deal. Okay, the next deal is a moneymaker deal, but my store is out. It's on the Garnier. They're $3.99 on sale. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck, but it has to be the leave-in conditioner. There is a 3 off 2 digital coupon on the CVS app. Plus it works with a 3 off 2 cashback offer on Ibotta. That's the only one that works with the cashback offer. So if you're able to grab 2 of those, you would pay $4.98, get back a $3 extra buck and $3 from Ibotta. Makes it a $1.02 moneymaker. Now for my favorite deal that I'm the most excited about. So Pampers are part of a promotion this week for spend 30 on select products, get a $10 extra buck. The huge boxes are on sale for $29.99. So again, your store would have to follow the 98% rule. My store does. So I'm gonna grab one of these. We have a $3 off 1 digital coupon on the CVS app. Plus, I have a $10 digital reward from the Pampers Rewards program that I'm gonna use on this transaction. I'm gonna do it in its own transaction. Now, this is the first time I've actually earned the reward and I'm gonna be using it, so I'll let you guys know it, check out how it goes. But what you're gonna do is, when you scan bags of Pampers and stuff, you earn points. When you do 10 of them, you get a $10 reward. Then what you're gonna do is claim the reward for $10 off at any retailer. So you're gonna claim it, then you're gonna swipe over to unlock it, then you're gonna click what retailer you're using the, like, it's in essence a gift card for. So I put in CVS and then it shows the barcode here. So you have to make sure that you're using it on more diapers. It's not just gonna work on anything. So that's why I'm gonna use this in its own transaction, and I'm not gonna pay with any extra bucks, just to make sure that I don't have any issues and that comes off. So I'll wind up paying $16.99 out of pocket, earning back a $10 extra buck, makes my final cost $6.99 for a box of diapers. That is so exciting. So the Pampers Rewards program is actually super easy to use. Obviously, I use diapers for my son all the time, so it wound up working out. I got the idea from Jody Dunn because she's been using it for like years, and I came across a video where she was talking about it, and I was like, why am I not using that? How silly. So I got it downloaded. I started using it because obviously I'm giving diapers to the daycare. I'm using diapers at home. So every pack of diapers that you open, there's a little barcode. You scan it. Each one that you scan tracks you closer to the $10 reward. So if you're already buying Pampers and you're already using Pampers, you may as well download the Pampers Rewards app. It's completely free. Get signed up, make an account. It's part of stacking your deals, especially when we're trying to save on diapers, because diapers are freaking expensive. So definitely do that. Shout out to Jody Dunn for letting me know that it even existed.
All right, we're back in from CVS. Everything went great. I did 3 transactions because I wanted to do the Pampers deal in its own transaction because I've never done the like gift card payment from the Pampers Rewards program. I literally just started using it like, I don't know, a month or 2 ago, like literally very recently. So what I recommend doing to keep everything organized, a lot of people are like, how do you stay organized with all these different rebate apps and everything that you're doing? I have an iPhone, so what I do is I put all my different cashback apps in like that little folder thing that you can do on your iPhone. So now everything is in one place. So I don't have like cashback apps on every single page on my iPhone. Makes it a lot easier. Then when you're like wanting to use Rakuten or something, put that one next to your browser. So that way you can hopefully remember, oh, let me start with Rakuten, see if I can get some cash back when you're talking about using it on your phone. So that is a quick organizational tip that I personally use that helps me a ton. So now let's go over my transactions. 1, 2. My first transaction, I did all the different deals that I talked about in the video. These two are the coupons from the Coupons 24 app. I have a video that I posted recently for how to use the Coupons 24 app. It's super easy. They're just gonna scan the barcode. So on the Coupons 24 app, when you activate the coupons, there'll be a button that says My Coupons. Click on it, it has a barcode, have them scan that. That barcode encompasses all the different coupons that you've clipped on your My Coupons 24 app. So that's what I do. I have them scan all the products, then they scan the barcode for the Coupons 24 app, then they hit total and the rest of the digital coupons and my extra bucks come off. These are all the extra bucks I earned from 2 weeks ago. Then I would have paid $16.79, but I did have a Fetch Rewards gift card, so I paid nothing out of pocket, 0. Then I submitted over to Ibotta. I got 8 offers, which is amazing. I got $16.10 plus the 2% back, says 0 right now because it needs like at least an hour to be able to calculate what that is. I did the math myself. It should be about 33 cents cash back. So in total, that should be $16.43 cash back on this transaction. Then I earned back all of my extra bucks for doing those deals, which I rolled into my second transaction. So I did the household deal and then I did the Lysol deal because I thought that one was a really good deal. Those are $4.99 at Walmart. We got it for $3.99. It actually wound up being cheaper because you can always pay with extra bucks as well. So my Coupons 24 coupons came off, my CVS coupon, then my extra bucks from my first transaction. Used the Fetch Rewards gift card again, so I paid nothing out of pocket on this one. If you don't have a Fetch Rewards gift card, that's okay. You would pay $5.63, amazing. Then you would get back the $4 and $3 extra buck for the household and the Lysol deal that we're then gonna use in our, no, I actually didn't use that. So I saved that. Now let me show you my Pampers transaction. So I got the pack of Pampers, the $3 coupon came off, then they used this like a gift card payment. So it says on the gift card exactly what they need to click on their side. It's super easy. So when you get the gift card, it goes over and it tells you, like you literally read it, it tells you it's in the claimed. So you click the claimed, there it is. You click unlock, you put in CVS, it gives you the barcode, they scan the barcode. Then they're gonna ask for the expiration month and year, which is listed on it as well. So it took off that amount. And then I just used the rest of the CVS Fetch Rewards gift card that I had for CVS. I paid out of my pocket $14.41. Then I earned another $10 extra buck. So for next week, I have $17 in extra bucks that I'll be able to use. Plus, I'll be able to submit this to the Pampers Rewards program again once I open it and start using it to be able to track towards more gift cards, which is so, so amazing. All the P&G products we bought today as well, the Charmin, the Crest, etc., the Bounce, you can also submit to the P&G Rewards program. Again, a free rewards program. Don't get like overwhelmed and think, oh my gosh, there's so many things, it takes so much time. It does not have to take that much time. So that's what I provide in my holiday savings club, where I do all this work for you. I show you what deals to do. I give you all the breakdowns. I give you all my savings tools. I also give all of the different links to the different cashback and Visa rebates that are currently available. So P&G has one. I believe Charmin is on that. So I do have to check that because I'm going to save that receipt and track it towards the P&G Visa. It's in the document if you're in my holiday savings club. If you're not yet and you want to be, definitely join us. That'll be below for you guys in the description box. Or you can just go to breecouponqueen.com/club. We have over 125 people in the club so far, which is so, so exciting. Now let's head home. This is the most important part of the video. Hopefully you're still watching. Now we're gonna head home. You've got to be tracking your spending. So I'm gonna show you what I input in my digital budget spreadsheet. It's super easy. I give it to you in the Holiday Savings Club as well, so don't feel the need to grab it separately. You get all my savings tools so you can score amazing deals super cheap. We're gonna see how much all of this actually costs because it calculates your cash cost and your net cost for you. So let me show you how to use it. So we are home. Now let's enter in all the information. So first thing I do is put the date. And this is how easy and quickly you can do this. It does not have to take you hours. I break everything up into 3 transactions. So I do 1 line per transaction. If you want to add it all up together, you definitely can. So my first transaction, you're going to add up the total sale price of all the different products that you purchased in that transaction. So we're at $58.52. Then out of pocket, how much came out of your bank account? For me, it's 0 because I paid with the gift card. So how many rewards did I use at checkout? We're gonna add up all the extra bucks that we paid with, and that was $22.20. Then how much did I put on the gift card was $16.79. Total cashback earned was $16.43, and total rewards earned was $22. So we saved over 100%. It's a cash moneymaker because I paid nothing out of pocket, but I earned back $16.43 cash. So my account went down 0, and then it went up from the cash back, okay? So that's kind of how that is calculated. But all these formulas are included for you, so you don't have to worry about it. Now let's do transaction number 2. So we had $30.97 worth. Out of pocket was 0. Rewards I paid with was the same $22 that I just earned. I went ahead and rolled immediately. Fetch gift cards on this one, I used $5.63. Total cash back was 0. Rewards earned back on this one was 7. And then my last transaction was the diapers. Out of pocket was $14.41. Rewards I paid with. This is 0 because I didn't use any extra bucks. Fetch gift cards are free gift cards. So I'm gonna put the $10 from the Pampers in here because it didn't cost me anything. It's a rewards program I exchanged for a $10 gift card. So it didn't cost me anything to get that gift card. Then purchase gift cards, none. Total cashback, none. Rewards earned back was a $10 extra buck. So these are all going to add up as well and give you an average percentage saved. This calculates for you as well, so you never have to finalize your budget. All you have to do is open your spreadsheet and see I've saved $409 so far this month, and we're only halfway through. So we may be on track for the biggest month of savings, which I'm super excited. My previous biggest month was last month at $720. So we'll see if we can beat that. Over here, it's really important as well. Make sure you're looking at this. Budget remaining for the rest of the month, 2 weeks left. I can only spend $65.22 out of pocket to make sure that I stick to my budget of $150. That is super, super important. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you want this spreadsheet and you don't want to be in my Holiday Savings Club, you can grab this itself. It's $8. That'll be linked below for you guys, or you can just go to my website, breecouponqueen.com/budget, and you'll be able to snag it there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you score incredible deals this week at CVS, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.